Hello, students. Welcome back after a short break. Hope you all have enjoyed a bit of your time and utilized it well at your home. Let's start with our academics part as well now. This time we are going to start chapter 3, Understanding Quadrilaterals, and this you have to do in your geometry notebook. That one side writing part and one is interleaf notebook, what you call as. So you are basically, you know what is a quadrilateral geometrical parts, and if you even don't know, we will have a brief recap of what all is there. First of all, you have to understand what is a curve. See, if you have a paper in your hand, that is a model, an example of a plane surface. But when you join a number of points without lifting a pencil from the paper, you get a plane curve. For example, if you make a alphabet C, that is a curve. I have given you this table to explain well that what are different types of curve. The first one you are showing that simple curve that is not closed. This is a curve. See, this is a curve made up of line segments, but this curve is not closed. Another one is not a simple curve. This is overlapping, crossed. This is a point of intersection as well. So it is not a simple curve. Now this is a simple closed curve. This circular shape is a curve that is closed and it is simple. Now these are made up of line segment. This is a closed curve, but it is not simple. It is complex because it is a point of intersection as well. This table is there in your book also, but there you have to match. So do this matching. I have given the right answer in front of what it is written. So you do matching in the book now, those who are having the book. Then what are polygons? A simple closed curve made up of only line segments is called a polygon. Whatever curved closed curve, अभी आपने curve पढ़ा, what is a curve? Now any simple closed curve which is made up of only line segment is called a polygon. These are the curves which are polygons. These are closed curves. Like this is a four-sided, this is also four-sided in different view. So this is a rectangular shape. So this is a polygon. Now this is having 1, 2, 3, 4. This is also four sides. So this is also a polygon. And these are the curves that are not polygons. See, this is intersecting and here it is open, it is closed, it is overlapping and then not exactly overlapping, it is crossing each other. This is not closed. So these are not polygons. Because in polygons, the most important point you have heard is it has to be closed. I am underlining this word closed. But this is not closed. Then what are the various types of polygons? The classification of polygons, the name is bit different, but you have already done it long time back. I'll tell you. See, if it is having three sides, then it is a triangle. This is the figure example. And if it is having four sides, then it is a quadrilateral. And quadrilateral, जो आपका ये chapter है, that is basically a quadrilateral. And we will study about various types of quadrilaterals in this chapter. Like quadrilaterals, four-sided figure is, you can name a few four-sided figures. I hope you must have spoken. Square, rectangle, trapezium. There are many shapes of four-sided figure जो अब आप उसको इसमें डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे. Okay. And this is three-sided and four-sided figure. Then it is five-sided figure is a pentagon. Six-sided figure is a hexagon. Seven-sided heptagon. Eight is octagon. Nine is called nonagon. 10-sided figure is called decagon. And 12-sided figure is called dodecagon. So there are various numbers. It will keep on increasing. अभी आप बेसिकली 10 तक अपने माइंड में रखिए और दिस चैप्टर इज बेसिकली रिलेटेड टू दिस क्वाड्रिलेटरल फोर साइडेड फिगर. अब इसमें भी आगे दो तरह की चीजें होती हैं. वन इज अ रेगुलर फिगर एंड वन इज इरेगुलर. आई विल टेल यू व्हाट इज देयर. दिस sort of table is there in your book also, but not this exactly. इसमें ये सारी sides different sizes की हैं, but in your book all are having same equal sides. So when the sides, if you will take any figure like this nonagon, इसमें all sides are different, so it is an irregular nonagon. But if all sides, like in this octagon, all these sides are equal. Now here, as all the sides are equal, so it is a regular polygon. I will tell you this in detail as well. First, you have to understand what is diagonals. A diagonal is a line segment connecting two non-consecutive vertices of a polygon. वैसे हमने बेसिक टर्म में डायगोनल्स कर रखे हैं अपोजिट वर्टिसेस को जो ज्वाइन करते हैं, एनी टू नॉन कंसेक्यूटिव, बिकॉज इफ यू टेक अ ऑक्टागन तो उसमें अपोजिट वर्टिसेस विच टू अपोजिट, इट कुड बी एनी टू which is non-consecutive, means there should be a difference of one vertex between the rest two. I'll give you an example. Like this is a rectangle. If you are joining P with R, इसमें तो आपका ये opposite easily मिल गया. But in this figure, if you will see, this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-sided figure. So it's a pentagon. In this pentagon, if you are joining A के साथ में consecutive है B, तो you have to leave B. तो आप A के साथ C ले सकते हैं. It could be non-consecutive. तो आपने जब AC को join करा, तो you will get a diagonal. A के साथ आप E नहीं ले सकते हैं, but A के साथ आप D ले सकते हैं. तो AD is another diagonal. Similarly, B से आप ले सकते हैं BE and BD, because the rest two are its sides. अगर आप BC और BA को join भी करेंगे, तो that will be the side of the figure. So that cannot be the diagonal. And E is left. E के साथ B तो already आ गया, and E के साथ C is left. So in this pentagon, there are 5 diagonals, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. आपके पास exercise में question भी आएगा that you have to find the diagonals, and there is a formula also for finding the number of diagonals of any particular figure. This is another figure. If you are taking this KLMN, this is again a quadrilateral. So this one is a diagonal and this is a diagonal, but this is outside, that is in the exterior of the figure. So you don't have to go for this too much, just understand with these first two figures. Now there are two types of polygons, convex polygon and concave polygon. Every polygon is either convex और concave. इन दोनों में से एक ही टाइप का पॉलीगन आपका हो सकता है. So what is the difference between these two? The difference between convex and concave polygons lies in the measure of their angles. Angles बताते हैं कि ये कौन से टाइप का पॉलीगन है. For a polygon to be convex, all of its interior angles must be less than 180 degree. Otherwise the polygon is concave. Means I'll explain you now this. कॉन्वेक्स पॉलीगन वो होता है जिसमें उसके सारे पॉलीगन के ऑल द एंगल्स 180 डिग्री से कम है, और कनकेव पॉलीगन वो होता है जिसमें एक एंगल एटलीस्ट 180 डिग्री से ज्यादा होना चाहिए. नाउ आई विल गिव यू एन एग्जांपल ऑफ दिस टू सी. दिस इज कॉन्वेक्स पॉलीगन. इसमें एवरी इंटीरियर एंगल इज लेस देन 180. 180 इफ यू रिमेंबर, 180 इज व्हाट? A straight line is 180 degree. So convex polygon में all the angles in this figure, polygon could be any number of side figure. This is a 4-sided figure. इसमें all angles are less than 180 degree. So this is convex polygon. And in this, if you can see, I'll give you the mark. Like this angle, I'll show you. This is concave polygon. Why? Because the angle which I am marking now, this angle is greater than a straight line. It's greater than a straight angle, more than 180 degree. So अगर एक भी एंगल आपका 180 डिग्री से ज्यादा है, then that is a concave polygon. But in this figure, you are having even two angles which are greater than 180 degree. This is you can see this is an acute angle. The two which I have marked are reflex angle more than 180 degree, but this is acute, this is acute, this is 4 others are acute. That does not matter. Even if one angle is more than 180 degree, then that's a concave polygon. And if all angles are less than 180 degree, then that's a convex polygon. I hope now the concept of convex and concave polygons is very much clear. I'll give you one more example of it. If a square has sides of equal length, now we will be studying about regular polygons, which I was talking to you earlier about. Regular polygons क्या होते हैं? Any polygon which is having equal sides. Regular means equal. That is, this is a regular polygon is both equiangular and equilateral. A regular polygon वो होता है जिसमें all the angles are equal and also all sides are equal. Don't take this equilateral to be equilateral triangle only here. Equilateral means equal sides. So your equilateral triangle is a triangle having equal sides. Here equilateral means equal sides. So regular polygon वो होता है जिसमें all the sides and all the angles are equal, as I have shown you in that table earlier. For example, एक square जो है उसकी all sides equal है, length all equal and all the angles are 90 degree. So that is a regular polygon. Okay. Now let's take the example of a rectangle. Now in rectangle, all the angles are 90 degree, all angles are equal. But क्या उसकी सारी sides equal होती हैं? No. Rectangle में all angles are equal, but only opposite sides are equal. So a rectangle is not a regular polygon. Regular means all sides has to be equal only, right? So a rectangle is not a regular polygon because its all sides are not equal. Now I will give you some pictures of regular polygons. This is a triangle. This is a triangle. This same line shows that all these are equal. And this angle, two lines shows these are equal. So this triangle is having all the sides equal, all the angles equal. So it's a regular triangle, and that's what you know as the name of triangle. 3 और 4 साइडेड फिगर में जो रेगुलर पॉलीगन है आपको उनके नाम पता है. Like this is a square जिसमें all angles are equal and all sides are equal. So this is a regular quadrilateral. That's a square. Then this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. This is a pentagon. In this pentagon, it is shown with these lines that all the sides are equal and all the angles are equal. So this is a regular pentagon, and this one is a regular hexagon. Regular means all sides must be equal. Okay. And these are the figures of regular polygons. और आपको ये बता दिया मैंने कि ये जो if it is two lines altogether or one line, this indicates that it is of equal length. It could be in angle as well, and it could be in sides as well. And I hope you all remember that this square box shows that it is an angle of 90 degree. This angle we cannot measure without protector, but this box on an angle shows it's 90 degree. So these are regular polygons. Let's move ahead to what is irregulars. An irregular polygon does not have all sides equal. That's what I have shown you in the figure earlier in the classification of polygons. I'll give you some pictures of polygons that are not regular. Now see, in this triangle, not even a single side, two sides are equal. So it's a scalene triangle. This is a rectangle, though all angles are equal, but all sides are not equal. So it's an irregular polygon. This is a pentagon. Again, you have seen in the previous, just a minute back, I have given you example of 3, 4, 5, and 6 sided figures. They are regular, and this is again same 3, 4, 5, 6 sided figure, but this is irregular. Earlier I have shown you regular pentagon, but this is an irregular pentagon because only two sides are equal. And in the previous one I have shown you the regular hexagon, and this one is a irregular hexagon. इसमें ये दो sides equal हैं, ये दो equal हैं, ये दो equal हैं, but all 6 are not equal. So if all are not equal, then it's a irregular polygon. Okay. Now the last concept for today's angle sum property. This also you are aware of, that the angles in a triangle having a sum of 180 degree. In simple words, it's the sum of the measures of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Now see this. This is a triangle. The three angles are termed as A, B and C. And if you will be adding this up, then the measurement of angle A, B and C is 180 degree. There is an activity related to this as well. उसमें हम क्या करते हैं कि एक ट्राइंगल का पिक्चर लेते हैं, उसमें एंगल्स को मार्क करते हैं एंड देन वी कट दिस. इनको कट कर देते हैं एंगल्स को, और जब हम इन एंगल्स को कट करते हैं और आप उसको एक लाइन में पेस्ट करेंगे तो वो तीनों एंगल मिला के 180 डिग्री की लाइन बनाएंगे. दैट इज द way to prove that the angles of a triangle measures 180 degree. ये एक्टिविटी हम 9th क्लास में when we were in the class face to face, that time we will be doing it in your lab manuals. But by now you must be aware about the angles. The three angles of a triangle measures 180 degree, and the triangle could be in any shape. Either it could be equilateral, obtuse angle triangle, isosceles triangle, whatever type of triangle, that does not matter. I will give you some different views of various triangles also, ताकि आपको ये ना लगे कि जो straight ये बनता है that is only the triangle. That's why I have made a tilted triangle here also, so that you cannot retain only one type of triangle in your mind. Any kind of triangle, all the three angles all together measures 180 degree. It could be either कि एक 10 degree है, एक 10 degree and the rest is 160 degree. That is okay. But the sum of the three should be 180 degree. Now I'll show you various views of these are different views of triangle. Triangle इस shape में भी हो सकता है, ऐसे भी इस side भी हो सकता है. Right angle does not mean कि वो right side पर नहीं हो सकती. You have seen the right angle here, this side. It could be at this side as well. This is also a right angle triangle. This is also a different view of a triangle, and this is another view. Now the angles of this yellow triangle, this 1, 2, and this one is 3. The sum of all these three triangles could be, it has to be 180 degree. I hope this all is very much clear to you. Just go through this once and just understand the concept once again. I will send you the work what has to be written in the notebook. Not all things you have to write in the notebook. I'll tell you what all you have to write in the notebook. So till then, take care of yourself. Have a safe time. Bye.